mechanical engineering remains significant and essential in the coming eras, and it will play a physical role of physical system in this digital revolution. The global target of Sustainable Development Goal in 2030, the role of mechanical engineering is very, very important. Finding new source of energy that can replace the traditional petroleum and coal falls under the scope of mechanical engineering. The world is currently immersed fourth industrial revolution, which is also known as Industry 4.0, where smart factories, IoT, machine learning, 3D printing are very, very essential. Complex geometries that are impossible to manufacture in the traditional manufacturing system now possible with the help of additive manufacturing or 3D printing. In this era, digital twins is very, very important, where cyber physical system is more relevant, which reduce time, production cost, as well as it will enhance the customization. Mechanical engineering in medical science has lot more potential with the innovation of different type of prosthetics, medical surgical robots, different type of testing facilities like MRI, CT scan, ultrasound. These will become a very, very important in coming future.
Mechanical engineering has lot more application in the defense as well as aerospace technology, which include designing of unmanned aerial vehicle, different type of thermal management system, developing of different lightweight materials, different type of aerodynamics also. So in short, what we can say, as long as the physical system exists in this world, there is a need of mechanical engineering.